So what's going on, everyone? Welcome to my new unboxing of this new product. And right there is a new Samsung S21 Ultra. This is a different unboxing from everyone because here I'm living in Italy, and so in Italy they say on Amazon that they have included also the charger. So it will be different from other countries, and we are gonna see it right now, how it is and how they put the charger in the box. So let's go right into the unboxing. So as we expected, because they did this also, I saw already an old video of a guy on YouTube that unboxes an iPhone 12 in France, and so they did the same thing. So they put the original box inside this one, and they also included the charger in this box right here. So let's see how it is. So here's the box. This is the phone. This is the original boxing of the Samsung S21 Ultra and from Samsung, and that one is the charger. Yes, this is the charger. So this one is actually an original charger from Samsung. So I think they did something in Italy to just let us have the charger in the box too. So inside of the box of the charger there is actually only the power adapter. So there's no cable, so I'm assuming that the cable is inside the smartphone box. So let's open this up. So here actually the paperwork just got stuck in the box itself. So this is the paperwork from Samsung, and here we got actually the phone. I guess we will find the cable inside here. Yeah, there's actually the cable for charging the phone. It's right here. So I will remove the plastics right here so you can hear it. So actually, for being an eco box, there's actually too much plastic. And so this is it. This is the phone. This is the charger included here in Italy. If you have some question, just let me know down below in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now, guys.